emoji.
The point of sale is the very first natural media of a brand. Here, nothing should be left to chance. Everything has a meaning. Each object, each furniture detail is a message that confirms to the future buyer that they are welcome here, that they're at home. The brand must reflect our own personal style and aesthetic so that we identify with it. Then we get curious and think we'll like the brand's products too. The point of sale is where desire is born.
3D, are you asleep?
No, don't worry, lol. I'm in standby mode.
You've got to help me, 3D. Yesterday, I thought up the name for a new kitchen range for my human, Mel.
Yes, emoji.
How do you know?
I watched you do it. I was bored and hooked up to the internal surveillance circuit to get a less theoretical vision of space.
Cool. A less theoretical vision of space. Just what I need. Mel has an urgent task to set up the emoji points of sale by tomorrow evening, and it's her birthday, so I thought I'd surprise her. When she comes in tomorrow, she'll find a shiny brand new project file in her printing tray. A day off will drop from the sky. Not a bad birthday present for a human. The thing is, quite frankly, I'm not really the world's best shop designer.
Designing a point of sale is a tough ask, I hope you realise. It'll take at least 2 minutes, and what do I get? Let's not waste time. I don't need briefing. I've got everything I need. I was lucky enough to listen in on a top secret internal strategy meeting. I'll let you listen to the boss's speech to the sales team. But mum's the word. Come this way and be quiet.
The iMachine isn't only a technological advance, it's also a revolution in the kitchen industry. A new economic model. It's a machine that focuses on people. Thanks to the iMachine, we can now dream of creating completely new types of shop. Absolutely everything's going to change. Through the domino effect, here's how.
Very promising.
The iMachine makes big showrooms redundant.
Totally.
We can make do with just 1 or 2 kitchen models to show the possible layouts, materials and finishing.
That's right.
We can completely eliminate the 3D design studio, as the customers themselves design their projects.
So what do we need to start?
A key element, a simple 2D drawing.
A plan?
No, your brand logo, sweetie. The basis of any successful brand world. I found it. They put it into yesterday's PowerPoint presentation. The humans are so predictable.
So what do we do with the logo?
The welcome desk. We draw a round piece of yellow furniture like the yellow disc of the emoji logo. Yellow is the institutional colour of the brand, the dominant colour. It's 67% of the useful surface of the logo, and obviously we'll put a big logo bang in the middle of the desk so that it shines forth and can be seen from the entrance. Keep up! We're moving house. At night, best not to stay too long in the same place around here.
A round desk is great. It's not aggressive nor hierarchical.
Yes, humans feel equal to each other around a round table.
And where do we put the navy blue?
Blue matches the square on the logo. We'll use the same approach for the rest of the brand. I suggest 2 blue sidewall sections arranged around a central aisle. Like this.
Yes, very nice. Very handy for separating the demo space and its machines from the exhibition space with its materials and finishings.
We'll lay out 4 iMachines in an X shape to give each user some privacy and confidentiality.
Okay, so the whole space will be yellow and blue? How do we decorate the side walls? And the back wall?
No stress. Let's keep calm and dignified. Remember, we're only machines and not any old machines either.
Sorry, human impatience.
Actually, it would be cool to put in a reminder of the wood from the 4 tactile tables. It'd make a nice setting for the demo kitchen and materials.
Great, we're nearly there. And the other walls at the front? We'll have to use one of them to show the electrical appliances, and the other one?
No idea, bit of a mental block. I feel we're forgetting something important to humans. Without humanity, there's no emotion. So no emoticons. No emoticons means no emojis. Unthinkable. Humans have to feel at home amongst all their machines.
Yep, what's missing with our setup is what the primates call a concept. I can feel it too. We'll have to wake up Philo if we want to raise our game. Can you take us to our office?
Don't get your circuits in a twist with all that. The scenario is obvious. As they come in, the biped's gaze will sweep the point of sale from left to right, same as when they read, monophonically. We can put electrical appliances on the right, so our visitors notice them in second place, just before the exhibition space, which will naturally be number 3.
And number 1? What shall we put on the left wall?
A giant poster. Full on. A fresco with lots of young people and emoticons flying out of a laptop like multicolored butterflies. And we'll add popular social media counters. Your Mel's going to find it all very poetic, especially if we update the scores live 24/7.
Wicked, as they say.
We can place the electrical appliances in a living green wall. And we're done. That way, we show that emoji is symbolically confronting the 2 big challenges that all major brands are confronted with today: internet-oriented consumer aspiration and the appearance of ecological and alternative deconsumption approaches. In short, urban Uberization versus the return to rural values.
Perfect. Techie blue on the left and grassy green on the right. Digital and botanical values face off, just like the contradictions in our society. We're going straight for the jugular. Zero fear. I love it.
There, we finished. And it's a system that works.
Just one more thing. Don't you want to write a few words on these blue walls in big yellow lettering you can see from outside?
Sorry, I'd forgotten you always have to do that. Can you come up with a nifty slogan in a sentence or two like LOL would? Go on, it's your big chance.
Yay! Emoji. Kitchens for creative people.
Emoji kitchens for creative people.
It means humans are nothing without machines.
Yay! Quiet, the night watchman.
And machines are nothing without humans.
I should have known. You're still working. That's enough. All screens off immediately. All of them.
Emoji.